We had come to give the message of Islam to the San tribe, the Bushmen and the original hunter-gatherers of Botswana, the people who would hunt lions and wild animals.
I'm in one of the huts where the people in Botswana live. This is literally made out of grass and branches.
They were so connected to the fitrah that when we explained the message of Islam to them, they understood it clearly and confirmed how it makes total sense to believe in one creator.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
After this, we headed back to the village and the people from the San tribe were waiting for us.
He created the whole universe while we human beings cannot even create a small fly.
When we told them about Allah and why there is only one God, the people connected immediately. After our talk, we asked who would like to accept the message.
لا إله إلا الله.
What happened next surprised all of us. One by one they started doing wudu just like us straight after the Shahada. Then they also joined us for their first Salah. Subhanallah, only accepting Islam less than an hour ago they were already with us praying Dhuhr. Will you be getting the reward of Islam, reaching houses made of grass and reaching remote tribes who would have otherwise never heard about Allah?